Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Okay students, let's open your books. As you all know that we were doing exercise 2B and we have done question number 1, 2, 3 and 5. We skipped question number 4 yesterday, so we will start from question number 4. Kindly open your notebooks. Maintain your page, draw margin lines, write down the question and mention the date at the top and write down the questions. Let's start now. Here this is first part. 8 minus 4 minus 2 is equals to 8 minus 4 minus 2. You can see the difference between both sides, that there is 4 minus 2 is in braces while here is 8 minus 4 is in braces. So now start explanation. You will take left hand side first. This is your left hand side. You will write it LHS is equals to 8 minus 4 minus 2. You will subtract 2 from 4. 4 minus 2 you get 2. 8 minus 2 you get 6. So left hand side is equals to 6. Now move to right hand side. This is your right hand side, 8 minus 4 minus 2. So you will write right hand side 8 minus 4 minus 2. As you all know that we will solve the part which is in braces at first. 8 minus 4 you get 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 you get always 2. So right hand side is equals to 2 while left hand side is equals to 6. So at the end we will say that left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So the statement is false. Now move to second part of this question. Here you can see that you will take left hand side 10 minus 6 minus 4. Now we will solve it the part of braces first. LHS is equals to 10 minus 6 minus 4 you get 2, and then 10 minus 2 you get 8. Left hand side is equals to 8. Now move to right hand side. Right hand side is equals to 10 minus 6 minus 4. You will subtract 6 from 10, you get 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 you get 0. So at the end we will say that left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So the statement is false. Now move to next part, third part of this question. 10 minus 6 minus 4 is equals to 10 minus 6 plus 4. Left hand side is equals to 10 minus 6 minus 4. Left hand side is equals to 10 minus 6 minus 4 you get 2. Left hand side is equals to 8. Now move to right hand side. 10 minus 6 plus 4. 10 minus 6 you get 4 plus 4. Right hand side is equals to 8. Hence right hand side is also 8 while left hand side is also 8. So we will say that left hand side is equals to right hand side and the statement is true. Okay, move to next part of this question. 15 minus 12 is equals to 12 minus 15. Let's take left hand side of this question, that is 15 minus 12. You will subtract 12 from 15, you get 3. Now you will take right hand side, 12 minus 15, you get minus 3. There is positive 3, there is negative 3, both are not equal. So we will write that left hand side is not equals to right hand side and the statement is false. As you all know that we have done question number 5 and now move to question number 6. Find the value of the following. Write down the question on your notebooks. Find the value of the following. First part of this question is 542 multiply 92 plus 8 multiply 542. Let's start its solution. You will write 542 multiply 92 plus 8 multiply 542. In first step we will multiply these both values. We get 49864. The sign of positive will be as it is, and now we will multiply 542 with 8. We get this value. After that we will add these both values, so we get 54200. This will be your answer. Here the next part of this question is 365 multiply 99 plus 365. So in first step we will multiply these two values and the remaining answer we will add 365 in remaining answer, so we get 36500. Here this is the third part of this question. 6 into 612 plus 4 into 612. Let's start its solution. 6 multiply 612 plus 4 multiply 612. We will multiply 6 by 612 and then 612 into 4. We get these two values. We will add these two values. Then we get our answer. Kindly write down these questions on your notebook, neat and clean, and do practice as well. Thank you.